Welcome iPhone enthusiasts. In this video, we will guide you through the process of changing your ringtone. Whether you're bored of the default sounds or want something unique, you will easily have a ringtone sound that you feel comfortable with, and it must be very good. Let's explore it. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Sounds Feelings. Step 2. Choose your ringtone. Under Sounds and Haptics, tap Ringtone. Browse the list of available ringtones. Tap the ringtone to hear it and set it as your new sound. Step 3. Customize for contacts. Open the Contacts app. Select a contact, tap Edit in the upper right corner, select ringtone or text tone and choose a personalized sound. Feel free to express your personality and character through the song chosen as your ringtone. You can choose from available lists that your device provides, or you can create them yourself by other applications. Here today I will not talk about using those applications to create a ringtone, but I will only talk about the music you have available or the device available to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.